What'd you think about KTYP?
They suck. Anything else?
Marcus get any better?
He got a little bit better. Like, he just moved too dang slow. Like he says the best Dougie and Leander. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You the best Dougie and Leander? I mean, I ain't gonna sit up here and say I'm the best Dougie and Leander, but I know you dang sure ain't better than me and my crew, because we are like a Dougie crew and a jerking crew. But I seen a lot of kids up here. Dougie Dougie better than you, dog. Marcus, bro, I don't even know why I got into jerking. You might as well quit. Since y'all, it sounds like Eric Chance, man. You gonna talk about my crew on Facebook, say we suck cock, bro? Come on, fam. You so immature little punk, boy. Like, when I see you, I'm gonna murder you. Like, I'm gonna murder you at jerking. I'm gonna, like, be appropriate on this film. I'm gonna be appropriate. I'm not gonna be inappropriate. Start cussing and crap. So, I'm just gonna show y'all what KTYP is like, suckish. All y'all do is rejects. But Drew, you good. You need to go solo. You need to go solo.
I'm on solo.
Solo, Drew. Like, drop them, man. Find somebody. It's alright. Just go solo, bro. I mean, for real.
Young Sam.
BABK Inc. about to show y'all what it's all about. Anything gotta say, Young C?
It was a good video.
It was good. So we about to get off.
You're killing me, man. You're killing me, man. You're killing me, man.
I'm a goon and she wanna just chill with a thug, so I bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood. I bang that pussy like a crip or a blood.
I'm a goon and she wanna just chill with a thug, I'ma bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood.
Okay, swagger mean like my outfit mugging. Yeah, I could jerk, but I'd rather be thugging. Shawty give me brain in her hair like on 10, so we gon' have to run that again. Swagger mean like my outfit mugging. Yeah, I could jerk, but I'd rather be thugging. Shawty give me brain in her hair like on 10. Flow great, this thing you won't win. I go in, kill beats, never sorry. Only time I'm sorry is on a J Nari. Girl named Ari, sex so wavy. She curved out a homie, so I'm strapped like the Navy. She wanna just chill with a thug. TLC type shit, no scrubs. I take the left route cause you hoes ain't right, but if it's tight, then I just might. I'm a goon and she wanna just chill with a thug, so I bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood. I bang that pussy like a crip or a blood.
I'm a goon and she wanna just chill with a thug, I'ma bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood.
Yes, I beat it up, get her wet, get her stuck. It's all good, cause it's all up in her gut. I don't give a fuck about the time or the place. I love all the girls, forget the age or the race. I'm a Marvel girl, so you know me. Okay, just call me 3 letters, cause you I see. Don't deal with the doodles, get away from me. And all you other weak rappers, just R.I.P. Yes, I'm a real fiend, I'm a jerk fiend. So many bitches on my back, I swear I had wings. So much green in the stack, I know I got cheese. With a bros, that time for tag team. Oh boy, I'm so outrageous. I make a new Twitter saying my name famous. You make a new Twitter saying your swag lamest. Marvel Inc, Beastie Boy, you can't tame us.
I'm a goon and she wanna just chill with a thug, so I bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood. I bang that pussy like a crip or a blood.
I'm a goon and she wanna just chill with a thug, I'ma bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood.
I bang that pussy like a crip or blood. Beat it up once that she fell in love. No Nike, but I said just do it. I'm not YG, but I tooted and booted. We the Marvel Bros and we tear the coochie up. Beat it then bang, you gotta lick it from a gut. Yeah, I'm as cold as ice. I fuck your girl, replay it, then do it twice. Bang that shit, yeah, bang that shit. No clothesline, but you know I hang that shit. Pussy be good, nah, pussy be great. I guess pussy out my head straight to the bank. Young Sam here and he doing his thing. But watch her girl, she touch my way. Touch my way, she touch my way. I banged your girl, gotta go in this thing.
Goon and she wanna just chill with a thug, so I bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood. I bang that pussy like a crip or a blood.
I'm a goon and she wanna just chill with a thug, I'ma bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood, bang bang that like a crip or a blood.
DJ Face.
Beat it up, beat it up, beat it up.
Calais. Keep it lit.
Kid Zooted, I see you, bro. Good looking, ha. Nigga, from LA to Germany, straight up. Beat it up, no drumline, hair so bright. I call it young sunshine, but he's so good, might eat it like lunchtime. Yeah, I'm the shit, just a random punchline. Go hard, always. She the type to give a nigga brain all day. I'm the type to give a girl head all day. Money real long like high school hallways. All the hoes like, who that? Girl, you know me, you don't even have to do that. They call me Young Sam, but you already knew that. Chain worth a grip and my wrist like 2 stacks. Niggas be lying like cat stacks. Money not a thing, I get that. Niggas be lying like cat stacks. Money ain't a thing, I get that.
Okay, 4 fingers up, down between her legs. If a Frankie and lonely, yeah, she can be next. I'm a beast, you already know, though I'm fresh. I'm a killer, backwards, XEX. Damn, she got dunk. I may tick her if she is the bomb. I don't even wanna talk, so better be quiet. Let her do a thing on the kid all night. Okay. Beat it up over again. If you don't mind, you could bring your friends. School is in, get your papers out. No, I might learn her like a book. Wow, hey, you know we kick it, just like Major. You know we flip it. Hey, you know we kick it.
On my mama, that gout, it be hit.
Beat it up over again. Beat it up over again. Beat it up over again. If you get lonely, then call your friend. Beat it up over and over again.
So what do you think about our video?
We killed them fools, man. Like, it was nothing. It was just the 2 of us. Shit, I'm tired, though. About to go home and just chill. About to get cussed out in. It's all good. But, make sure y'all hit us up on Facebook.
Twitter, Young C, 121.
Play ball. Dog. Hey, I'm bored. I want a crew that can battle. That feel like it's a crew. Because the crew that we battling right now, it's not a crew. But remember though, KTYP, we need to get them Katy Perry tickets. April 6th.
Hey,
At the UT Look at Dome. Wait, look at Sean over there.
it's not Team Frenzy no more.
And JP. Heck yeah. All day. White kids.
Hey, take the camera.
White kids.
Yeah, Drew. This is for you.
All day. All day.
Like the Batman, bro.
Heck yeah.
You killing. You killing.
Killer.
But seriously, I agree with Brent. You can do way better
Then them.
than them.
Then them. Like, just say Drew Drake, Easy. Isn't easy. I'm just kidding. But Drew.
But I gotta admit, Marcus, you did better in the new video.
Cause bro, when I saw you in that one video,
You were just doing the jerk.
the 08, 08
But,
jerk.
I mean, I can understand because you just started off.
But bro, don't be like.
But
get your
before you
homeboy.
get in the before I ever got in the videos, I would practice, and I wouldn't really care what people said because they made me stronger by their words.
Exactly, bro.
We all got better. Look at the old videos.
Hey, yeah. Hey, y'all, bro. Marcus, fam. Just picking on fresh meat. Ain't nothing like that, so don't get butt hurt. Especially every chance. Butt hurt of all. Act like he got raped out of jail or something. So he need to calm down. So we was just messing around. This ain't even for real.
But we all cool, right?
We cool. We love y'all. For real though.
No homo.
We need to get them Katy Perry tickets, dog. Katy Perry.
Hey, your dad can hook us up, right?
Heck yeah. Katy Perry tickets. April 6th. See y'all there, hopefully.